All right, here we are. We're actually at Mel's Diner right now, but we're actually going to be going to the Hollywood Museum for the Back to the Future Forever exhibit. We got Marty, future Marty, and then we got 1985 Marty. So you got the hoverboard from 2015, and you've got the Madrid Valterra skateboard from 1985. Nice.
No, it's okay. We stood outside. And I was telling
it's okay. I'm with the Hollywood Museum.
Oh, cool.
Were you guys at the event like 4 years ago in Vegas? The Star Cars?
No, we were not there. I know which one you're talking about, though. We couldn't make it. I know these guys were, though.
Oh, they know me then.
Oh, yeah.
The official reproduction from Madrid.
Yeah. What is
That's this. Well, it's the skateboard company that makes Madrid's a skateboard company that made the original.
Yes, they made the original one from the movie,
and so they
Back to the Future, your movie. Remember?
That wasn't in our movie.
Michael J. Fox.
Sure about that? You're 100%. You willing to put some money on that?
That yellow wheel deal.
Shall we pull up the evidence?
Show them the video later on. I actually made a video about it.
Is this when he's holding on to my truck?
Yes.
The red and
white also,
truck?
when he goes through and he kicks the chain link fence in front of $50 for it, and I'm like, no, man, I paid
for the skateboard.
Yeah, and I was like, I paid over $300 for it, right? And he goes, okay, how about $175? Like,
maybe for this one.
I was like, I don't think you understand. I paid over $300 for it. And he goes, okay, how about $275 final offer? And I go, dude.
There we go. Got the Valterra. He's got the life preserver. So what do you think, dude?
It's pretty good.
We gonna do a live feed pretty soon, or what? Live video?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so what do we got going on in here, man? Let's see, anything new we've put in since the last video? These ones. Cup holders are still working great, right? What else? Anything else? Yeah, it's pretty much the same old stuff, right? With the lights. So we were here at Mel's. We'll take a shot of that one. Mel's Diner for the Back to the Future Forever Hollywood Museum Exhibit Grand Gala Opening Event. And here's Mel's. We got Chad's car. And we got Anthony's car.
You guys want to be better because they're authority, right?
And Richard McMillan's here as well.
You okay, man?
How are you? Yeah, absolutely. Not bad. We're good. You guys are the bigger trip. Thank you. We'll see you inside. How are you? Good to see you.
Enjoy your night, by the way.
See you, Anita. Stay safe. How are you?
Recognize
Brady Bunch? Who? What's your face from Brady Bunch?
Oh, really? Okay. Which one?
The one with the hat next to theirs.
Yeah, but which one?
Oh,
Youngest?
well, that's why we have the internet.
It's not the oldest. It's not the oldest.
Hey, Frank.
What are you looking for?
Brady Bunch. It's on the Brady Bunch, but I don't know which girl, which daughter.
Or Cindy, because they just did a radio show.
How you doing there, Marty?
They good.
Yeah, we missed you on the radio show.
Like the hoverboard, you did that yourself? No? Oh, I still like it. You are very welcome.
Sure.
There you are, Frank. You've been asking for it.
Oh, they come and get us? Do they come and get us?
Take those.
Oh, I know you did.
I bought that dress I said I wanted.
You got the dress? That would have been really super cool.
Yeah, well, that requires more than a hug. And I'm sure we can work something out.
What's up? How are you? Happy birthday, by the way.
Thank you. The trailer here. Can I drive to the
It's orange.
stall? Can I drive to the stall?
Excuse me, are you associated with this event? Are you working this event? Do you know how to get in? Like, where is it? Signing tickets? You have to know where? Do I have to go on the red carpet again?
No. Let's go straight inside.
Okay, thank you so much.
You have the best outfit tonight.
Back to the Future celebration?
Possibly, yeah.
I'm gonna take down the press.
Never forget a flash.
Ricky Dean Logan. From Back to the Future.
Right here, guys.
Yeah, perfect. He's got slates for all of them. He was in Back to the Future 2 and 3.
Right here, everybody.
Right here, everybody.
Let's get slates for all of them.
There you go. He's slates for all of them.
Let me get the shot and go. Okay, here we go. Right here. Okay.
Big smiles. Yes, right here.
Okay, William.
Sorry. Thank you. We're good. Everyone else has it.
Once you step over, wait 1 second for UPI. Can you switch with him just for a second? So he can get a quick shot.
One, two.
Charles right here, please. Charles, you
Distribute any archive material. What do you need? Make us an answer. Bob, you have a musical opening. It's successful back to Broadway or do a tour? Thank you so much. You can't predict the future. Exactly. The music is not necessarily going to be mainstream. Well, we've tried turning it a little bit. I thought that we got a whole slew of new songs. They're great. Charles, when you were working on Roger Rabbit, are you hitting look at the shirt. I don't hit up. I take that. Great. I'll share with you the last time I saw the scene right here. Boy knocks Biff out. Yay! That's the best viewing I've ever had.
That's what I was trying to tell you. Right here, sir.
I thought
I got to see it 2 years ago when they did it. I think it's there, and there were 15,000 people there. That's amazing.
Thank you guys.
This is Janelle Dadigan, the founder and the president of the Hollywood Museum, with Bob Yelp and all this.
Do you have any
Excuse me, got it back.
requests for materials you want to include in the exhibit?
See, she did not get my first word.
Everything but. You'll have to come in and see it. It's extraordinary. Absolutely extraordinary. If you ever wanted to know what happened with Mr. Fusion, wait till you see Mr. Fusion. Bob Gale's Mr. Fusion.
Okay, so you have that in there.
You know, it's very interesting that we have a wealth of great collectors who are located all over the United States and Canada and even overseas. And once they heard that we were doing this exhibit and that the Godfather, Bob Gale, had an interest to participate in this exhibit with us, it was extraordinary. And then Bob's wealth of knowledge is unparalleled. And all he had to do was reach out and ask. I think I've done before an exhibit. So
Well, we can do that.
I think we
And
can.
once this starts going, I'm sure that other people will say, well, wait a minute, I've got some stuff. Let's put that on display.
I think so too.
knows? That might
That's
happen.
what happened this week actually, but it just was too late to pull it together to add to the exhibit.
Well, when you open up some more floor space, we'll fill it up.
How long has this been in the works since you decided let's do it back to the future?
Before the first film came out.
That's right before.
That's right. This is Back to the Future. The paradigm is complete.
Well, great. They are going to let us go inside after, so I can't wait.
Yes, it's extraordinary.
That's Mike, right? That is a mic. That is
Hey Bob, give a shout out to backtothefuture.com.
Hey everybody, backtothefuture.com. Happy for you to be on the website, and stay tuned.
Okay, Bob and Danelle right here, please. How
you doing, Rick?
Dr. Stephen,
I'm going to have you guys do
Okay.